morning, students. Once again, I am here with you. So, today I will revise the topic joints. So, this is your book, and come to the chapter 1. Topic is the joint. See, first of all, you should know that what is joint. Joint is the place where two bones meet. Okay? Now, see, you see your skeleton. In the previous class, I have already explained you about the skeleton, and there are many joints in different places. Okay? And bones are held together to form joints, and this helps you to move your body. Okay? And one word, that is the cartilage. This is also new for you. So what is this? The end of each bone is covered by a tough, smooth, shiny substance called cartilage. Okay? The cartilage coated bone ends are kept apart by a thin film of slippery fluid that works like the oil in a machine. Coating of cartilage and the slippery fluid are important so that the bones do not scratch and bump against each other when we move. And bones are held together by a strong stretchy band like tissue called ligament. So these two words that are cartilage and ligaments, these are very important for you. You have to write the differences between cartilage and ligament. Okay? Now see, I think you all have seen this. See, there's the diagram. Bones of the arm is here. Okay, and see this here, the joint is there, elbow point, and in the leg region, knee point. Okay, these are the joints. Now come to the kinds of joints. See, kinds of joints. And what is the main function of the joint? Joints allow movement of the bones in different way. Okay, this is the main function of the joint. And now come to the types of the joints. There are 4 types of joints are there. Number 1 is the hinge joint. See in the diagram, this is a hinge joint. It acts like a hinge, as a door, as in a door. Have you seen the door? Okay, in the door, which type of joint? That is the hinge. You see the door, there is a hinge. Okay, so this is the hinge joint, and it works like the hinge of a door, and the bones connected by this joint move in one plane only. Okay, only in one plane. And the elbow, knee, toe and finger joints are the example of this type of joint, that is hinge joint. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now come to the second joint, is the ball and socket joint. Okay, see, in this joint, one bone which has a ball like ends fits into the hollow socket of another bone, and the example is the hip and shoulder joints are the having ball and socket one. See this in the diagram. See, this is the diagram. Here the point, black arrow shows the socket, okay, in which ball like bone end fits in this socket, and then we can move our leg. Okay, clear? Okay, leg and hand also. Shoulder, in whole shoulder, this type of joint is there. In the leg region, this type of joint is there. This diagram is the joint in the hip girdle. In the hip girdle. Okay, see this. So this is about your ball and socket joint. The examples are hip and shoulder joints. Okay, now come to the pivot joint. See, this type of joint is found between the skull and the first 2 vertebrae of the spine. Okay, move your skull to find out the movement of this joint. You move your skull, you will see how it will be moved. It will move, and it moves up and down. When you say yes, then up and down, and when you say no, then sideways. Okay, you just try. See this. This is the This is the pivot joint. Okay, this is here the see the red arrow mark. This shows the joint, that is the pivot joint. Now come to the gliding joint. Now see, in the gliding joint what happens? In the gliding joint, it is present between the vertebrae. Okay, this kind of joint is present in the wrist, ankle, and between any two vertebrae. You see, you can see the wrist, see the ankle, and vertebrae, that is backbone. So what is the function of this type of joint? See, this is the diagram of the vertebrae showing gliding joint. This is the diagram, and the flexibility of the backbone is due to this joint only. Okay, we are able to bend forward and backward and sideways due to the presence of gliding joint. Okay, any problem? No problem. I hope there is no problem. Now see, one thing you have to also know that what is arthritis. Arthritis is a disease that causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. So this is the name of a disease. Okay, so this is all about your the joints and kind of joints. Now I will give you questions which you will do in your homework notebook. Okay, see, the questions are, number one is the fill in the blanks, and second is the match the following. Okay, fill in the blanks. Windpipe connects nose to dash in mammals. I have already explained yesterday. Okay, so you will see the video of that yesterday video, and then you can answer this question. Of the two jaws, only the dash jaw moves. I know you can write this if you have seen the yesterday's video. The backbone protects the dash. Fish can feel waves with the help of their dash. A snake uses its dash to touch and smell objects. Eye is connected to the brain by a dash nerve. You have to write the name of that nerve. And here match the following. Elbow in the column A, elbow, wrist, hip, femur, and the skull. Okay, in the column B, largest bone, 8 flat bone, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint. This is here. So what will you do? You will see the video, and then you will do the question answer. Fill in the blanks and match the following. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Okay, thank you.